Welcome people to the outskirts of Melbourne. The plan was to ride Reef and Spur, but like some of the great explorers of the world, Columbus, Vasco da Gama, Magellan, I got a little lost. Well, I think I'll blame roadworks and detours for getting lost. And remember, Columbus thought he'd hit Asia when he discovered the New World. I'm about 50 k's from Reef and Spur. He missed Asia by about 15,000 kilometres. Nothing wrong with the roads around Gembrook, still a nice ride. They're like the ugly cousin compared to Reef and Spur. It's like expecting to be dating a supermodel, but you end up going to the movies with your sister. Hope she at least shares the popcorn. I ended up hitting gravel on this road, no good for the KTM 390, so I headed back a couple of days later on this. There's plenty of loose gravel on this track, maybe not great when you're on road tyres. It's like wearing shiny black business shoes to the beach. Sure, it kinda gets the job done, but there are better options. But don't worry, I only wore the business shoes to the beach once before I learnt my lesson. This could be the start of new adventures for me. Nothing like the scale of Columbus. There'll be no decimation of the natives, and I won't be passing on any foreign diseases, but definitely discovering new places. In my business shoes, of course. Right, I think I'm done now. The tread on the business shoes is wearing out. Until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.